Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a ledger rod. First, securely attach your fishing reel to the rod seat. Next, carefully thread your main fishing line through every guide on the rod, starting from the reel and moving towards the tip. It's important to ensure the line flows freely from the reel, without any snags or twists, as this will prevent issues during casting and retrieval. This initial step is crucial for a smooth fishing experience. Now, let's add the weight. Slide your chosen ledger weight directly onto the main fishing line. It's important that this weight can move freely up and down the line. After the weight, add a small stopper bead. This bead will sit just above your swivel, preventing the weight from sliding down and interfering with the hook length. This free-running setup allows fish to pick up the bait without immediately feeling the weight of the ledger. Next, we'll connect the hook length. Tie a strong, reliable swivel to the very end of your main fishing line, ensuring the knot is secure. To the other end of this swivel, attach a shorter piece of line, known as the hook length or snood. This section is usually between 12 and 24 inches long, depending on your target species and fishing conditions. This setup allows the bait to move more naturally in the water. For the final steps, tie your chosen fishing hook to the very end of the hook length. Double-check all your knots to ensure they are secure and strong enough to handle a fish. Once you're confident in your rigging, add your preferred bait to the hook. Whether it's a worm, a piece of corn, or a lure, make sure it's presented well. You are now ready to cast your ledger rig and start fishing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.